Good morning. Today we will be discussing about diseases and infection, more specifically, infection. Infection. It refers to the abnormal invasions and successful multiplications of disease-causing microorganisms called pathogens in the body. This causes disruptions and damage to the body tissues or organs. There are four major types of pathogenic microorganisms. First, bacteria. Second is viruses. Third is fungi. And lastly is parasite. Bacteria. Bacteria are small one-celled living microorganisms found in soil, food, animals, and insects. Bacteria can grow and multiply using the nutrients found in the environment. Some examples of bacterial infections are tuberculosis, leptospirosis, and urinary tract infections are also known as UTI. Viruses are the tiny microorganisms that are only able to multiply inside a living cell. Some examples of viral infections are common colds, flu, measles, or tick dust, dengue, fever, and hepatitis. While fungi are multi-celled microorganisms that cannot survive in soil, water, or air. They need a living organism like plants or animals to get enough nutrition. Yeast, molds, and mildew are part of this group. An example of a fungal infection is athlete's foot, recognized by the smelly and itchy rash in between the toes. Lastly, parasites are organisms that need a living body to reproduce, snatching nutrients from its own growth. Some examples of parasitic infections are ascaris, hookworm, and roundworms. These are common seen in the intestine. Since microorganisms are not easily seen by the naked eye, they can easily spread without our knowledge. So that is why we need to follow the following practices to prevent the spread of microorganisms. First, proper food preparation. Second, proper hand washing. Third, getting vaccinated. Fourth, coughing and sneezing into tissue or sleeves. 5, cleaning frequently used surface. And lastly, not sharing personal items. By knowing the following informations and following the preventions, we can defeat the spreading of diseases.
Na, huwag mo na tong pagpabukas pa. Handa na ba? Let's go for it. Huwag tigil dahil wellness is life.